So, hello and welcome everybody to a very quick unboxing video here. Today I got a package from my good beetle breeding bro Alex Hager from Austria, and he sent a beautiful Lamprima female that he found and also another stag beetle, so will be interesting. It's been quite hot outside, actually 30 degrees, so hopefully, and this package has been in the mail for around 3 days. So hopefully they are fine, and we'll check them together and find out. So let's see. So here we have the package, some styrofoam. Oh! Seems to be some more beetles in here. So here we have the first box. It says Lamprima, hatched on the 7th of July, on the 9th of July, and inactive still. PM, he also sent a Phalacrodatus Mülleri female, which is already fertilized. So let's get my box here, just the camera, and let's see if they made it safe and sound. I actually sadly had a casualty of one shipping, another dead on arrival, of a very rare species of beetle, of stag beetle. I didn't actually film it, but yeah, I will be probably doing a pinning video. So let's see, hopefully they're alive. It's been really hot outside. So here we have the female of Phalacrodatus Mülleri. Actually, she seems really dark, so probably it's not the normal type, but the red type. But unfortunately, also, she seems to be not living. That's always the problem if you send the beetles in such hot temperatures. It can be that they just die in the shipping. So probably you just shouldn't send them. Oh, yeah, but here we go. Here we have, ooh, a feisty little guy. This is a Daucus titanus, Typhon. Small male, very fresh male. As you can see, very active. Very nice that he made it alive. So I will be shortly giving him some water. Oh, very feisty, very active, very feisty. But now he's in a cool room where he can cool down a little. And yeah, oh wow, very nice. This is just a male that he had excess, and so he sent it to me. So let's hope that the Lamprima lady is still alive, because she had a quite a nice color. On the picture, she actually looked a little bicolored. So we'll see. Let me turn off the air conditioning. So very nice, some nice and moist substrate, and here we have the female. Very nice female of Lamprima adolphine. Oh, and the camera actually doesn't do her any justice. She's very red on the elytras, and on the pronotum she's greenish, very red and green female. Still inactive, freshly hatched. So probably one reason also why the Müllery female died is because she's old, and then the shipping stress can be even a little bit harder on her. So let's put the Lamprima female back. And actually, that's been the unboxing. I hope you liked it. I'm very, very happy that at least the two beetles made it alive. For the Müllery female, I will be leaving her in this box a little longer, giving her some water, and see maybe she perks up. Sometimes they can be stressed and then they will not move. But yeah, she looks quite lifeless actually. Probably she is. Yeah, but anyway, thank you everybody for watching. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Yeah, comment, rate, subscribe as always. And yeah, thank you a lot for watching my content and for supporting me. So yeah, hope I see you guys in the next video. Thank you everybody. Bye.